Hey everybody, whoever's watching, I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to log into Remine in case anybody is a little bit unfamiliar with the whole process. Remine is a new specific application that agents are starting to use. So I'm making this into a video so you can pause and go whichever pace. I'm gonna make a sequence of videos from logging in to creating a full transaction for your buyer so you can actually put in offers for whenever you're licensed and ready. Okay. Now, this is how I usually get it into Remine. Just, Google Remine agent login. If you already have the website saved, you can save it. You can save the trouble and just go to whichever link that you have. All right. But once you get into Remine, it's going to ask you for which state you're currently looking for. Okay. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to do Maryland. And Maryland uses a Bright MLS system software. So we are going to sign in. Now, if you're not logged into Bright right now, currently, it will redirect you to Bright MLS so you can sign in there. Once you sign into Bright MLS, it will redirect you back to this page that you're seeing now. From here on out, you've successfully logged into you've successfully logged into Remine. Now, on the next video that I'm going to cover on how to create documents from right here into the actual transaction and how to work through each of the files. All right. If you like this, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe so I know that what I'm showing and demonstrating is helpful to some of you.